Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Smoke and Drifts here, aka Drake. And in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys some tips and tricks. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Smoke and Drifts here, aka Drake. And in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys some tips and tricks on making your very own race stand. Now, starting off, you're going to want to know what materials and resources you're going to want to need to make your own race stand. Now, in my opinion, you're going to need at least 3 to 4 2x4s, depending on which race stand you're building. Like a good decent long screw, so I would like 2 to 3 inches. Some wood glue if you're gonna want a really good permanent race stand. And then for your tools, you're gonna want, what I used is a handsaw. Now it doesn't really give you the nice, cleanest, straightest cut, but if you're just trying to get the job done, just trying to have something, have your wheel mounted on, for the meantime, it's going to get you where you need to be. Now you can use a power saw if you do have that. If you can rent one, I would recommend that to get your cut nice and straight. You're going to need a power drill with a drill bit and a bit to drive your screws. So that includes being able to drill the hole and drive your screw into the wood. And then that drill bit, you're going to want it to be a little bit smaller than your screw, so that screw can still really grip into that wood and it still holds really good. Over the materials and tools, I'm going to go over some more of like things you're going to want to be looking for when you are building your race stand. So there are different styles of race stands you can make. You can completely go different resources, different things, like do a complete different video that I'm explaining to you right now. And again, I'm not giving you the full tutorial, I'm just giving you tips and tricks so you understand. I built this whole race stand without even a tutorial video. This was just me going out there with the tools that I told you that I had. So the stand that I have is a cockpit stand, and this consists of it being as an actual car. So you have your race seat, pedals can be hard mounted at a diagonal bit, so you can add more wood down there to actually hard mount your pedals. Same thing with your wheel, you can hard mount this down, but I just have it clamped down. But it allows you to have everything in a sturdy place, permanent area, and it feels more realistic when you're playing it, instead of being in a, gamer chair or something, which you can do, and that is more of the commercial style, where you would have it foldable. That is more difficult to make, but you can research a video and see how to build that type of race stand. But typically, it consists of it just going straight up and being an area where you can mount your wheel and your handbrake and category of, things you're going to want to look out for. So when you are positioning yourself in your race stand, if this is for the cockpit or relatively any stand you're building, or just a nice tip if you're using a race stand, when you're seated, you're going to want to have your arm in this triangle position, kind of triangle-like. So when you lift your arm, your shoulder doesn't lift from the chair. You're able to make your full rotations in the most comfortable position you can be without having to lift your shoulder and reach for that wheel. And the same thing goes for your pedals. You just want to be able to move that ball joint of your ankle and then just be able to push that pedal, not having to move your knee or anything. There might be some knee movement, but you mainly want it to just be your ankle moving. It was really a little bit of short with the tips and tricks, but if I can go out there and build my own race stand with barely watching a video, I hope this video gives you enough information to go out there and build your own race stand. So like I said, get 2 to 3 2x4s. Any saw you can use. Like I said, I used a handsaw. I'm going to show you an example again of me using one. But yeah, just get those cuts straight as you can and just go out there and get it done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and here's a little bit of me using my race stand. So if you guys haven't seen, I did also get a Fanatec e-brake. So I'm also going to be doing a video. It's going to consist of me of a month using this, so I can give you a solid review of it. I am currently waiting for the clamp, but I'm going to go ahead and get a little bit of the filming done of me already unboxing this and showing you guys what it, holds, and then long-term use and everything. So stay tuned for that video if you're looking out for a handbrake. This one is very universal and I really do recommend it. So yeah, enjoy me using my race stand, and I hope you guys have fun building yours.
And with that, the 2022 season comes to an end. Good night.